Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, choose fingerprint, face and password. Tap on add face over here and enter your current login method. When you're done, read the disclaimer and tap on continue over here. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!